Today's house breathes tropical climate and embraces the surrounding landscape without any visual barriers between interior and exterior. This is Casa Branca, a home designed by Studio MK27 on a beach in the northern coast of São Paulo, where every detail was carefully considered to integrate architecture, nature, and thermal comfort. We arrive at the house and are greeted by a facade clad in white aluminum brises, discreet and low maintenance, filtering sunlight and allowing air to circulate freely. As we move forward, the large sliding doors and glass panels open, revealing the fluidity of the interior spaces and transforming the ground floor into a wide covered terrace, where inside and outside merge seamlessly. The ground floor houses the entire social area. The kitchen connects to one of the side gardens, while the living area extends toward the deck, providing natural cross-ventilation and a continuous sense of freshness. Perforated wooden pivot doors with muxarabas offer shade without blocking airflow, creating a perfect balance between protection and lightness. Materials and colors enhance the home's inviting atmosphere. Light-toned wood combined with white elements creates a sense of comfort and well-being, while the sand-colored stone floors connect the spaces to the surrounding landscape. Indirect lighting in the ceiling and floor highlights the volumes and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere throughout the rooms. On the upper floor, wood and white dominate the furnishings, maintaining the minimalist and elegant aesthetic. A staircase protected by a hatch leads to the upper deck, a contemplative space that connects with the surrounding vegetation and the horizon. The landscaping was carefully designed to harmonize with the Atlantic forest that surrounds the gated community, maintaining the integration between the house and its natural environment. Every detail of Casa Branca, from the fluid circulation, cross-ventilation, and pivot doors, to the strategic use of wood, concrete, and white aluminum, reinforces the tropical minimalism inspired by Brazilian modernism. The result is architecture that combines lightness, functionality, and sophistication, creating a continuous sensory experience for anyone moving through its spaces. Casa Branca is more than a beachfront home. It is a study in comfort, integration with nature, and understated elegance, where every space invites you to breathe, contemplate, and feel completely at ease.